So let's jump straight into this, you guys. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You get a 13x6 lace parting space. Behind the parting space, you get 2 combs. You also get another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material is a stretch fit material, and the lace is actually not that bad on my skin. Usually it comes off gray, but it's looking a little brown. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. These thick looking things in the front is baby hairs. I know it looked like bangs, right? So for this, I would like to do a right side part. So just take your time if you would like to do a certain parting with this. Well, to me, if you get this wig, you have to part it. Like, even if you do a middle part, left side part. So whichever part you pick, just take your time and part it. Try not to mess up the curls and lightly separate them so the curls don't end up too frizzy. So there's a lot going on at the top. I need some heat. So I'm going to go in with my Andis hot comb, and the temperature that I have it on is a number 5. And I'm just pressing out the parting space and the hairline. But when I'm going through the parting space, I'm not going too far out because I don't want to mess up the curl. So I'm just going up like an inch or 2 from the roots. And then as for those baby hairs, I'm going to try to blend them in and just comb them in. Remember, try not to comb all the way through. After I got the baby hairs to blend right in, I'm just going to take out my baby hairs from now on. So I'm just going to keep it simple and do a few baby hairs on my temple. The crown area of the wig is coming off very shiny to me, so I'm just going in and spraying it with dry shampoo. After I spray the dry shampoo, I just use my hand and pat the product right in to help dull down the shine. I take the powder and apply it underneath the lace, but I only apply it to the spots I was showing, so that's the parting space and the hairline. And here I am with the wig. Right here is where I hooked my adjustable straps, so I'm about to install the wig. But if you're also interested in the first wig that I have on, I'll be sure to leave the video link below in the description box. If you're interested in this wig, be careful when you get it because the ear tabs is a little far back. It's not really covering all of my ear. So yeah. So to style the baby hairs, I'm just going in with some Got2b glue gel. The curls are really nicely intact, but I want to give it just a little bit more body, so I'm just playing with it a little bit with my fingers. After running my fingers through the wig a little bit, this was the amount of shedding I got, which to me is not bad at all. Here I go debating if I want to cut this wig, but actually I'm going to leave it alone. I'm just going to put it in my wig sale, and whoever buys it, if they want it cut it yourself, boo. But right here is my end result, and not bad. I think this is cute. The curls is not too defined, but still got some definition. The density of the wig is, to me, kind of on the thick side, but it's not too thick where it's like a heavy density. It's still natural looking for every day. As for the shine, this wig does have a shine, and I tried to go in and dim it down, but it's not that bad. But if you don't like the shine, you can always go in and dim it some more with dry shampoo. I'm not sure if people still use baby powder. The length of this wig on me, I would say, is about 22 to 24 inches, and my height is 5'6". The lace blends really nicely with my skin. It's actually not bad. Like, I feel like I came a little long way with this wig from the beginning to the end. If you have a big head, I'm not sure if you're in for the clear. Like, to me, I don't really think it's too big head friendly, but definitely check out other reviews on it to make sure. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And you could stay and enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed.